Hi guys, this is Dr. Rohini and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk everything about hair. What are the things that you can do to improve your hair health? What are the things which are actually causing hair fall, and some amazing supplement which will give you an amazing result with your hair as well. So first of all, before starting with anything, I want to tell you guys some things which actually cause hair fall, and the things because of which you have thinner hair, or sometimes you have baldness, or the things which are really bad for your hair health. Most important one is any kind of stress. So whether you have emotional stress or physical stress, or if your lifestyle is too hectic, or you're constantly worried about something, or if you're not regularly meditating, you can have hair fall, and there are chances of thinning of hair, and that's one of the most primary reasons why we see hair fall. Second reason could be genetic, it could be hereditary, it could be running in your family. So if you have a history of baldness, early baldness in your family, if you see it in your parents or in your grandparents, there are chances of you having it as well. But there are many precautions you can take in that case. Other than that, about hair fall, we see a lot of hair fall in case of deficiencies. So if you're deficient in many vitamins, certain amino acids, or if you're not taking right amount of omegas and omega 3, 6, 9, then you can see hair fall. You can see hair fall because of many hormonal conditions like thyroid, PCOD, or in case you have if your diet is very high in carbohydrates and very low in healthy fats, then you can also see hair fall. So these are the most important conditions when we actually see a lot of hair fall happening. But there are many things that you can do for it. So here I want to tell you guys that for hair health, you need a combination of everything. It's not just what you put topically on hair which is important, but what you put in your mouth and what you actually eat is going to show up on your hair health. So in this video I'm going to tell you 5 supplements or 5 superfoods which have an amazing result on your hair, and the first one is aloe vera. So aloe vera is an excellent antioxidant, and it has some polysaccharides which show up really well with thickening of your hair. So you can actually drink 1 cup of aloe vera juice with water every morning. Other than that, you can also topically apply it on your scalp, and it will show wonderful results with the thickening of your hair. So number 1, start with aloe vera juice. You will find it in any natural local stores where you find all the Ayurvedic supplements or the juices. So make sure it is least processed, and make sure it's a pure form of aloe vera. But aloe vera shows wonderful results on your hair health. Second one is my favorite, and that is collagen. Now we need collagen protein, that is specially type 1 and 3, to maintain your hair health, to maintain your skin health, and also to maintain your nail health. So, and collagen you don't really get from your dietary supplements unless you're having bone broth regularly. So you either have to take type 1 and 3 collagen supplement, or you have to take bone broth regularly, and it shows wonderfully on your hair, and your hair fall is significantly reduced with collagen supplements. So make sure you have 1 scoop of collagen every day, and it shows amazingly on your skin also and on your hair also. The other thing about collagen is it has proline, it has hydroxyproline, and it also has glycine. And these amino acids are something that you don't really get from natural diet. That is another most important reason why you need collagen supplements. So make sure you start with collagen supplement, make sure you start with aloe vera. And the third supplement which does show up really well for your hair fall is biotin. Biotin, as I have spoken about it in my previous YouTube videos also. Biotin could be a normal deficiency if you are a vegetarian, if you're not having, or even if you're having eggs and if you're skipping the yolk, then you could see a deficiency of biotin, because most of the nutrients are in egg yolk. You find vitamin D, you find biotin, everything in egg yolk. So if you're skipping egg yolk, you might have deficiency, or if you're a vegetarian, there are high chances of seeing biotin deficiency. If you have constant fatigue, if you get tired very soon, these are some of the signs of biotin and vitamin D deficiency. So make sure you start with biotin supplements. That will show a very good improvement in your hair fall. The fourth supplement for reducing hair fall is a very interesting one. It's actually something you apply topically. It's a very good essential oil, and that is called rosemary essential oil. Now all you have to do is use 5 to 6 drops of rosemary oil, either in aloe vera juice or in olive oil. Apply it on your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes every day, and you will notice an amazing improvement in the volume of your hair in just about 2 weeks. So rosemary oil is a topical application. It's a very good essential oil, and it will show wonderful improvement in your hair. Now the last and the most important one is your omegas. You need good amount of DHA, EPA and ALAs in your daily diet. So you either take it from either omega 3, 6, 9 supplements, or you take it from different oils and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, or pumpkin seeds, or you can have salmon, or you can have fish. You will get all these omegas from these things, or you can take it from a supplement. But they are very important in your hair health. They are very important in improving the volume of your hair and also the length of your hair. So here's the deal. Make sure you use all these 5 things in a combination, that is aloe vera juice, collagen supplements, biotin supplements, rosemary oil, and the last one, but a very important one, is all your omegas. So you have your protein in place, you have your B complex and biotin in place. Also you have good amount of antioxidant and all the omegas, and also applying rosemary oil topically will show wonderful results. So all these 5 things in a combination will give you an amazing improvement in your hair health in just about 2 to 3 weeks. So you can start it now. But a very important thing that I have to tell you here is you have to exercise. If you combine this with a very good healthy diet, if you have good amount of veggies, good amount of protein in your diet, all the healthy carbohydrates, a good combination of simple and complex carbohydrates, it will show wonderful results. And if you can meditate along with it and get your stress levels under control, you are going to feel beautiful about yourself. And also this is not only going to show on your hair, it is going to show wonderfully on your skin. You're going to get that glow. It's going to show wonderfully on your nails, and you are just going to end up feeling beautiful. So make sure you start all of these things. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, share it with your loved ones. Tell everyone about how to manage your hair and your skin and everything. And let me know if you like the video. If you have any suggestions for my next video, please post a comment below and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed. Thank you so much.